Hey friends, I'm back. I hope you guys have enjoyed GTA Vice City, playing GTA Vice City. I'm back with a new game, Need for Speed Most Wanted. It's an EA game and it is available on the Play Store for free. So my new video is a guide on how you can install and play Need for Speed Most Wanted on your Android cell phones for free and you can have the game and get as many coins as I'm having. You can have a look at the buttons right most screen everything. It's 9886449. I didn't own these phones actually. I just started playing this game today. I actually have this game using code. I'll teach you guys how you can have this game working for you. Let's get started bro. Alright, the first part is I've got my data turned off. The first part again is that I'll be using UC Mini. It's a good browser. I've already told you guys I use that browser. Now search here NFS Most Wanted APK. There comes the option play.mob.org. Open it. There it opens up. You can see the screenshots, and trust me guys, it is a very cool game, very cool racing game. You will have realistic car damages, you can drift a lot. It's a fantastic game to have in the cell phone. There, scrolling down, coming down to the screen download button, pressing it once or maybe twice or thrice. Alright, there we are back on the page from where we downloaded GTA Vice City. You can see the topmost option, it is a paid game on Play Store. These are the APK files. You have to download the last of them, this 21.1 MB 1.3.69 69 point file, this one. You have to download this file. I've got this downloaded. I'll show you guys. There you go, I've got that downloaded. And then come down to the game cache. This is the game cache, 604.4 MB. It isn't a very big file. You have to download this one. I've got that downloaded as well. There it is, Need for Speed Most Wanted zip file. Alright, so downloading part done. Now let's get to the installation part. We are back to this very software, the ES file viewer. I've told you guys it is a very cool app. It's going to simplify the actions that we are about to perform. So opening up the place where the downloaded file is stored, it's UC downloads. Open it. There we go. There is the Need for Speed zip file. Select it, select more, extract to, choose path, SD card, Android, OBB. There you can see there that's NFS-13NA. I have already got this game extracted. So all you got to do is select OK. There, select it, again tap OK. It will ask me for an overwrite because I've already got it extracted, so I'll skip it. I hope you guys have I hope you guys just understood how you are supposed to decompress the file. So that part is done. Now what you gotta do is install the APK file. Install the APK file. Well, this is the file that you are supposed to install. I've deleted the APK though after installing. So once you install this file and open Need for Speed, the thing is that it will not start running. The same message will appear and you will get a prompt which will ask you to download about 618 MB of additional data. So I'm telling you guys that you have to download 618 MB extra data during all those procedures. And one more thing, once you compress the file, the very file, the cache file that we downloaded, uh, this file, this is not in reality a 604 MB file. After compressing, it will turn into a 2 GB file. So you will need a 2.5 GB of space free on your internal storage, plus you will need to download a 600 MB of additional data. Guys, if you would have downloaded this game from Play Store, first of all, it's not a free game, and after that you would have been asked to download about 2 GB of additional data. I'm saving that for you guys though. This is just a 600 MB of cache download and then 600 MB of additional download, so 1.2 GB, and the game is free as well, which is very cheap when compared to the one that is available on Play Store, despite the fact that both the games are same. So that's it guys, that's my video for today, NFS Most Wanted. I hope you guys will enjoy racing the cars. If you guys got any queries, you can ask me in the comment box below, and we'll meet very soon with a new video, a new game. Thank you guys.